This is a Lego vacuum cleaner powered engine that I built, and when I first built it I wasn't sure if it would work because when I tried it I couldn't get it to spin, but after some fine-tuning and lots of patience I got it to work, and it goes so quickly that I would estimate if it goes maybe between 15 and 20 times a second. It's going thousands of RPM here when it's running top speed. So just have a vacuum cleaner hose, and I took this hose, I'm not sure where it came from, but I stuck it into the vacuum cleaner hose, and that just shortens the nozzle a bit so I can more easily attach it onto this hole. So I'll turn it on for you.